Adobe refuses to be left behind and is throwing their hat into the ring when it comes to generative AI video. So today, we're talking about Adobe's latest foray into the world of artificial intelligence, generative video technology. Adobe is currently in the process of developing an AI model for video generation. They plan to integrate the AI model into Premiere Pro, which is one of their most popular video editing softwares. They're saying it will be available later this year, and it's already causing quite a buzz in the industry. But what does this mean for you, the user? Well, their idea is to provide you with more features that will enhance your creativity, making your video editing process smoother and more efficient. Some of the new features will include things like object creation, object removal, and generative extend. With object creation, you'll be able to easily create and manipulate objects like shapes, symbols, and icons. You will also be able to draw shapes using a variety of tools, including the pen tool, shape tools, and the brush tool. This would be pretty cool for graphic designers, web developers, and other creative types who need to create high-quality visuals for your projects. With Generative Extend, you will be able to add or remove items from your video, or even generate new ideas from your initial inputs, allowing you to build upon fragments of an idea or concept. It would be like having a digital assistant that understands your creative vision and helps you bring it to life. But Adobe isn't stopping there. What's also interesting is that Adobe is looking into partnerships with other vendors, like OpenAI, for further integration. This means that Adobe's generative video technology might soon become even more powerful, versatile, and user-friendly. One thing to note here, though, is that this project is still in its early stages. There are no live demos available yet, and pricing details for the video generation features are yet to be disclosed. So while the excitement is understandable, Adobe lovers are going to have to be a bit patient as Adobe works on perfecting this new technology. Adobe's bold move into generative video tech is a strategic move to keep up with industry trends in the AI space, and it's clear that Adobe wants to play an active role in shaping the future of creative AI technology. We can't wait to see what they come up with next. I applaud Adobe for not turning a blind eye to the issue of deepfakes. You know, those pesky yet entertaining, digitally manipulated videos that can be incredibly convincing. The universal concern, of course, is the probability of deepfakes potentially spreading misinformation or even contributing to identity theft. One of the biggest concerns in the realm of AI video generation is the creation of deepfakes. To tackle this, Adobe plans to include content credentials in its AI model for video generation. This feature will identify AI-generated content, adding a layer of transparency and accountability to the process, and potentially mitigating the risks associated with deepfakes. Another ethical concern in the AI industry is around the use of training data. In the past, companies have been criticized for using data without adequately compensating the contributors. Adobe is taking a different approach to this. Reportedly, the company is compensating contributors for the data used to train its AI model. This not only acknowledges the value of the data provided, but also sets a precedent for fair compensation in the AI industry. Did I mention that Adobe is also looking into potential partnerships with other vendors like OpenAI? This could be huge in the AI space, especially if these two powerhouses could come together to promote the sharing of best practices and enhance the ethical standards of AI development. This venture into generative video is not Adobe's first foray into generative AI. In fact, Adobe has been a trailblazer in the field with the introduction of Adobe Firefly, a family of creative generative AI models. Firefly is a tool designed to assist users in creating images and text effects, even without prior graphic design experience. It has already made waves in the AI world. Adobe is training Firefly with openly licensed graphics. This means that Firefly is learning from graphics that have been freely given to us, avoiding potential ownership issues, and to further respect the work of creators. Adobe is providing options for creators to protect their work from AI learning. Adobe's Firefly promises to provide users with new creative capabilities while addressing concerns in the creative industry. The potential impact of Adobe's venture into generative video technology is vast. It's worth noting how this technology could revolutionize various industries and professions, from marketing and advertising to entertainment and education. Being able to create, modify, and extend video content with more ease and flexibility could redefine standards and practices. Content creators, for instance, could use this technology to create rich, dynamic content without needing to be a video editing expert. This could democratize content creation, making it more accessible to a wider range of people in the realm of education and training and simply getting your own unique ideas out there. This technology could help streamline workflows, reducing the time and effort it takes to produce high quality and engaging video content across the board. It will definitely be a powerful tool for content creators. Thanks for watching. Hey, if you enjoyed this video and want to get more of the latest AI news and tools that will ultimately help content creators, please subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next one.